Hello students, in this video we are going to solve a nice algebra problem. We have here x power 4 plus 100 over x power 4 plus 1, this is equals to 19. Here we need to calculate all possible values of x. Students, if you like my videos then please subscribe my channel. Now let's start solution of this question. Here x power 4 plus 100 over x power 4 plus 1, this is equals to 19. Look carefully here, x power 4 and here x power 4 plus 1. Now if we add both sides plus 1, then this expression and this expression is same. Now if we apply substitution and if we substitute x power 4 plus 1, this is equals to m. Then in left hand side this expression is replaced by m plus 100 over x power 4 plus 1 is replaced by m, and this is equals to 19 plus 1 is 20. In left hand side m plus 100 over m, and this is equals to 20. Now multiplied both side m, and in right hand side is also multiplied by m. Then this m is multiplied by this m, then you will get m square plus m is multiplied by 100 over m, and this is equals to 20 m. This m and this m is cancelled out. M square plus 100, and this is equals to 20 m. Now if we take all the expressions in same side, m square minus 20m plus 100, and this is equals to 0. This expression is factorizable. So first we want to make factor of this quadratic equation. M square minus 20m is minus 10m plus 100, and this is equals to 0. Look carefully first two terms. If we take common m square divided by m, then you will get m, minus 10m divided by m, then you will get minus 10. And look carefully last two terms. If we take common minus 10, then minus 10m divided by minus 10, then you will get m, and 100 divided by minus 10, then you will get minus 10, and this is equals to 0. In left hand side m minus 10 and here m minus 10 is common. Now if we take common m minus 10 in left hand side, then you will get here m minus 10, and this is equals to 0. M minus 10 times m minus 10 is m minus 10 whole squared, and this is equals to 0. Now here we will apply this rule. If a square is equals to 0, this implies a is equals to 0. If we apply this rule here, then you can say m minus 10, this is equals to 0, and value of m is equals to 10. We have m is equals to 10, and we know that value of m is x power 4 plus 1. So this m is replaced by x power 4 plus 1, this is equals to 10. Then x power 4, this is equals to 10 minus 1, x power 4, this is equals to 9. Now if we take all the expressions in same side, then x power 4 minus 9, and this is equals to 0. X power 4 is same as x power 2 bracket power 2 minus 9 is 3 power 2, and this is equals to 0. Here we will apply again substitution, and if we substitute x square, this is equals to a, and 3, this is equals to b. Then this x square is replaced by a square minus 3 is replaced by b square, and this is equals to 0. Difference between two squares in left hand side. So first we will make factor, and we know that a square minus b square is same as a plus b times a minus b, and this is equals to 0. Here value of a is x square, so this a is replaced by x square plus, and b is replaced by 3, and here a is replaced by x square minus b is replaced by 3, and this is equals to 0. In left hand side x square plus 3 is multiplied by x square minus 3. This is equals to 0. Here we will apply this rule. If a into b, this is equals to 0, this implies a is equals to 0 or b is equals to 0. If this expression is a and this expression is b, then you can say x square plus 3, this is equals to 0, or x square minus 3, this is equals to 0. Then x square, this is equals to minus 3. Now if we apply this rule, if a square is equals to b, this implies a is equals to plus minus square root of b. If we apply this rule here, then you can say x is equals to plus minus square root of minus 3. And we know that x is equals to plus minus square root of minus 3 is square root of 3 times iota. Here we have two solutions. First solution x1, this is equals to plus square root of 3 times iota, and second solution x2, this is equals to minus square root of 3 times iota. And look carefully this equation. X square minus 3, this is equals to 0. Then value of x square is equals to 3. And here if we apply again this rule, then value of x is equals to plus minus square root of 3. So here our third solution, x3, this is equals to plus square root of 3, and fourth solution x4, this is equals to minus square root of 3. In this question we have 4 solutions. I hope you enjoy this video. See you in the next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.